What up my chickens? Today I'm going to teach you how to download a movie for free. That's right, free bitches. First you will have to download uTorrent. To do this, open a web browser. I prefer Google Chrome. Type in the engine utorrent.com. This will be in the description. Click free download. Yes, the big ass orange button in the middle. Click that bitch. At the bottom there will be a discard button and a keep button. Click keep. Now it will start downloading. When it is done you will want to open it. Next step, you will want to go back to your web browser. Type thepiratebay.se. This link will be in the description. While in Pirate Bay, type in the search bar what movie you would like. I typed 21 Jump Street because that movie is funny as fuck. Sort by pushing the SE tab. Click the top link. Scroll down to get this torrent. And click it, then click launch application. It will appear in uTorrent. Wait till this is finished. When it is finished, click the mini magnifying glass. And it will appear in the finder, and now you can drag it wherever you want. You're welcome. Join us next time. Oh yeah. Subscribe bitch.